Home bars, like their professional counterparts, come in all shapes and sizes. Whether you're trying to build your own speakeasy or just looking to upgrade your corner of the kitchen, a few easy hacks can step up your cocktail game in no time at all. On today's show, I will give you 8 bar tips for you to use in your bar on the next episode of Elegance and Sophistication. Welcome back. I'm Jaclyn St. and today I'm giving you a few bar tips for your home bar, starting with number 1, making bigger and clearer ice. You don't need to break the bank on a cold draft ice machine. For less than the price of a fancy cocktail, you can freeze your own king-size ice squares, which are perfect for sipping scotch. If you're throwing a party and need to chill down a large punch, or just want to hand crack from a large block, fill up a large sealable container with water ahead of time, then throw it in the freezer. Voila, a block of ice. Number 2, step up your simple. Simple syrup is just what the name implies, a simple 50-50 mix of sugar and water. And while a lot of great cocktails find their balance with simple, as the pros call it, the liquid is a great platform to build on and explore. Try new sweeteners. For example, use a vegan-friendly agave syrup in a refreshing margarita, rich maple syrup in the easygoing autumn Ricky, or honey in the classic brown derby. Infuse. Go ahead, color outside the lines. Steep spices, herbs, citrus, rinds, all the citrus that you can, the rinds, awesome. Flower petals, and even, yes, tea in your simple. And enjoy a custom take on any drink. Number 3, get good tools. If you've already got your Irish mixing glass and gold cocktail picks, you can skip this step. For everyone else just starting your committed drinking, invest in tools. You don't need to go crazy with the accessories, but it is worth shelling out a bit on the basics. Even with regular use, quality tools will last you a lifetime. With that in mind, please stop using a novelty shot glass as a jigger, a fork as a strainer, and an old jam jar as a shaker. To get you started, here are 5 must-have bar tools, starting with number 1, a shaker tin. And if you don't have one, a tempered pint glass or 2 will work. Number 2, a mixing glass. Number 3, a Hawthorne strainer. Number 4, a jigger. Double-sided with half measures noted. Makes it a lot easier. And last but not least, nice glassware. If you are on the cheap and you're looking for something quick, the local Goodwill store has a big selection of cheap, vintage cocktail and rock glasses. Awesome. Okay, number 4, use fresh fruit juice. That's a must. This might seem like a no-brainer, but enough people are still buying oversweetened, over-the-counter grapefruit juice, orange juice, lemon juice that it begs repeating. Go fresh. There's a reason the best cocktail bars in the country spend hours a day leading up to opening juicing. The pre-bottled variety just can't compete. Another benefit is that staying with a seasonably available will make you more creative with your recipes. Whether you're using an electric juicer, hand squeezing, or even just muddling in the shaker, there's a range of bold, colorful new recipes to try, such as the blood orange margarita. Yummy. And for that recipe, it will be in my notes on this video. Number 5, try do-it-yourself aging. By now, you've likely seen house-aged Manhattans or Negronis at your local cocktail bar. While it might seem gimmickly, even a short aging can bring out new and interesting notes between the ingredients. On a very practical level, it also is a nice gift to future you. Someday soon, you'll come back home from a long day of hard work and, well, what will be waiting for you but a ready-made cocktail? Find your mirror and raise a cheers to yourself. Want more flexibility? You can infuse specific spirits instead of entire cocktails. Try adding lemon peels to that bottom shelf vodka, or fresh sliced ginger to whiskey for an eye-opening old-fashioned. Number 6, IKEA hack your bar. Not all the tricks happen behind the bar. Sometimes the hack is the bar itself. Of course, it would be nice to have a 10-foot walnut bar with vintage back mirror in your apartment. No argument here. But if that's within your means and your lease, build it. Also, please invite us over because I love bars in people's homes. Okay, for everyone else, the game is using creativity, elbow grease, and probably power tools to maximize your bar for your budget and space. And IKEA has some of them that you can take home and build yourself. Right there, hardly any tools, easy to use and function. Okay, number 7, use a spray bottle. There is no doubt that you have had a cocktail by now that involved a spirit rinse, but it's pretty wasteful to pour a half an ounce of alcohol into a glass, swirl it around, and then pour it out. The solution? A small spray bottle. Yes, you can purchase them just about anywhere. Fill them up with the necessary spirit, and one spray will cover the inside of the glass without wasting an expensive ingredient. And last but not least, number 8, create smarter storage. Bitters are no longer just a passing cocktail ingredient. They're a whole class of their own with interesting infusions popping up just about everywhere. Switching up your bitters is a great way to try a new twist on an old classic recipe. But where to store all those delightful little bottles? Try a ceiling-mounted metal tray with strong magnets or a bottle loft made of magnetic strips. Now you've created a cool bar decoration and functional storage. So there you have it, the 8 new bar tips for your bar. I'm Jaclyn St. James, and I just wanted to say thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed these tips. No, I haven't been drinking. And I'm here to remind you to keep it elegant and always sophisticated. Thanks for watching.